Well, it finally happened. I had to shit in a bucket.
For about 57 miles, continue straight.
So a while ago, I bought a luggable loo at REI for like $20. It's just a 5-gallon bucket that has a toilet seat you can put on it, and luggable loo bags, which are this like plastic bag that you put in the bucket, and then you put the toilet seat on top of, and then you sit on the toilet seat and you shit in a bucket, in a bag. And so I am driving between Spokane, Washington, and Seattle, and I had to poop really bad and got off this exit, and there were no establishments of any kind. And so I had to use my emergency toilet for the first time, which I never really envisioned myself using. I just was hoping I would never have to, but I did, and it wasn't horrible. I didn't nothing gross happened. Nothing that you don't want to touch things touched anything. And afterwards, I washed my hands, and the bag is sealed up now with my poop in it in my roof box. And I keep the toilet seat up there too. So, yeah, that was my first experience. It wasn't horrible. I don't want to have to do that, but if it's an emergency, it's not a horrible experience.